China's August factory Pastime possibly shrank amid COVID flare-ups. Assets disaster. Reuters Ballot Beijing China's manufacturing facility interest likely shriveled again in August, a Ballot showed on Monday, as COVID flare-ups and a distressed property quarter pummeled demand at the same time as a power crunch in southwestern China hit manufacturing. The Authentic Production Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) is anticipated to have risen to 49.2 in August from 49.0 in July, in keeping with the median forecast of 23 economists polled by way of reversing preceding profits in June. The gauge is anticipated to remain below the 50-point mark that separates contraction from boom. China's financial system narrowly escaped contraction final area because of large COVID-19 lockdowns, and economists say its nascent restoration is in hazard of really fizzling out amid sparkling virus flare-ups and the embattled property region. High-frequency indicators together with field throughput and metal call for information weakened similarly in August from July, analysts at Goldman Sachs NYSE, GS stated in a notice on Friday, forecasting the analyzing to area right down to 48.8. Tighter COVID restrictions in August as well as the recent weather would possibly have also affected outdoor production hobby because of the acute warmth and dragged down the offerings PMI they delivered. Searing heatwaves have swept across China's substantial Yangtze River basin due to the fact that mid-July, hammering densely populated cities from Shanghai to Chengdu and causing the southwestern province of Sichuan to suspend commercial manufacturing to make sure residential energy deliver. According to Ing's China economist Iris Pang, the damage as a result of the drought's strength shortage is around 1% of GDP. The most worrisome factor of the Chinese financial system, however, was the deleveraging reform on residential assets builders, she mentioned. The assets region, which debts for about 1/4 of China's financial system, has been lurching from disaster to disaster since the summer season of 2020 because of regulators stepping in to reduce extra leverage, which led some builders to default on their debts and fight to complete initiatives. Potential domestic buyers are looking to peer whether uncompleted homes may be completed quickly and to a terrific first rate. This takes time, at least a couple of quarters, Pang stated. To prop up the ailing financial system, the principal authorities presented any other package deal of stimulus, which include raising the quota on policy financing equipment with the aid of 300 billion yuan, $43.39 billion. The Imperative Bank also reduced the benchmark lending fee and lowered the mortgage reference via a bigger margin. The Legitimate Production PMI, which largely makes a speciality of big and state-owned companies, and its sibling survey for the services area, might be launched on Wednesday. The non-public quarter Caixin Production PMI, which focuses extra on small firms and coastal areas, could be posted on Thursday. Analysts anticipate a headline analyzing of 50.2 for that, down from 50.4 for July. $1 equals 6.9140 Chinese yuan renminbi.